Today we're going to be talking about my 987.2, and we'll be doing a bit of maintenance and take a look at some of the mods. It's a 2010 Boxster S with a PDK transmission. An automatic? So let's get this car ready for the summer, and we'll do a brake fluid flush, and we'll access the reservoir, and you can use a turkey baster to get the old fluid out. I use the Motive power bleeder to make it a one-man job, and with a long hose and a large container to make things easier and not have to run back and forth with small containers. So I did the cabin filter, and here we will replace the intake air filter. If you have the rear speaker shelf, you have to undo this little electrical thing, which is under a little flap on the right-hand side as you're looking at the back of the car. So you just turn those release knobs and you pull the shelf away. And same thing, of course, for the soundproofing carpet. Ah, here's something new. Torx-headed screws hold the lid on, as opposed to the old turnbuckles that we had in the 986. So, pop that cover off, and here we'll find the air intake filter compartment. A couple of screws and it pops right off. Why is this so hard? Oh, don't forget the screw. Well, a bit of hot glue. That'll fix it. Oh, button it all back up. Okay, so now for the oil change. So you can get that in there nice and solid. Oh, there's the plug, number 8 Allen. Get my socket out. How hard can it be? It can be hard. This bolt is stripped. So it's the Dremel multi-tool to the rescue. And now let's make a BFSD. A big screwdriver. Now I can turn this with a 15mm wrench. And I do not want this to slip. And success. Oh, no dipstick. So we measure the oil coming out and going back in. It's the only way to do it. Well, hopefully I got this right, because I'm not getting an awful lot of help here. That's it. So now, on this beautiful fall day, let's consider some upgrades for the upcoming winter season. This one is already done. Fab speed claims extra horsepower. I think it just looks good. That looks a little high. Bilstein PSS 9s are on order. Maybe some camber plates? The paddle shift sport steering wheel would be nice. And of course, the New Art trailer hitch. Ciao. See you next time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click on that handsome racer dude above to subscribe to my channel. Click on a like and leave a comment below. Always appreciated. Cheers.